Good day everyone and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. So if you want to create videos faster using AI without learning complex editing software, Wondershare Filmora is one of the strongest options right now. In this video I'll show you exactly how Filmora's AI video generator features work step by step, and how you can use them to create full videos, auto edits and AI assisted content from scratch. And now let's discuss what Wondershare Filmora is. So it is a beginner-friendly video editor that now also includes AI-powered video creation tools. Instead of editing everything manually, Filmora lets AI handle things like video creation from text, auto editing, AI captions, music and effect suggestions. It's designed for YouTubers, content creators, and anyone who wants fast results. And now, of course, to get started, let us firstly install the software. So even if they maybe featured the web version, I still recommend using the desktop version so that it's more stable. So as you can see, we have this little blue icon. Also, as you can see, says VO 3.1. That's actually and Sora 2, as you can see, those are actually the models within this app that will be used to pretty much feature AI into your software, into Wondershare, and you can also create your videos. So just download the software. In my case, it's already downloaded, and let us install it. Should be pretty easy. Okay, so it's now downloading the files and installing. Let us just wait a bit. Okay, and now you can just agree to the user agreement and privacy policy, and it's going to check your PC parts and your system configuration so that your PC can actually run the software. So let it do that. All right, and now the app has launched, and we can now, as you can see, start working. Press on start, and in here we can create our first project. But firstly, let me just make this software full screen. There you go, it's done. And now, as you can see, we are prompted to have a little tutorial about how to use it. So you can import projects in here, goes it in here. You can import your materials if you wish. So from your PC, so user guide, then we drag it onto the timeline like this. And now we can start editing. All right, and now let us just log in. I'll just use my Google account for this. Okay, there you go. Logged in into my account, as you can see. And now we are ready to start working. So once installing, you will land on the main dashboard. And from here, you will see on the right here, multiple AI options depending on your version and region. And in here, guys, I will show you now where you can find the actual features that are, related to AI, and especially, of course, generation of the videos, because this is the subject of this video. So in order to find this, you don't need to browse the editing features. This is solely for managing and editing your videos locally, right? Just like in any other software like DaVinci Resolve, or maybe if you use something from Adobe or something like that. So you just press on stock media, and in here we will have, as you can see, image to video, then start or end frame to video, reference, or video elements editing. So also, as you can see, guys, you will need some credits, which I don't have. And to generate the videos, you will need, for example, as you can see, 450 of these credits that you will need to purchase. And if you wish to create from text, there you go, you just choose from text. And now let me explain to you how this works and which kind of prompt you should be inserting here to get the best results. So in general, this Filmora's text to video feature lets you generate a video using a simple text prompt. And now in regards to how to actually go about making a prompt, let me explain. So in the prompt box, you should be explaining what the video is about, the tone and style, and the target audience. And for example, I will input this prompt right over here. So as you can see, what do I have? A modern tech explainer video about AI tools, clean visuals, smooth transitions, and professional style. So the AI will generate scenes, visuals, and structure automatically. And also, if you already have the footage, Filmora AI Auto Edit can cut boring parts, match clips to music, add transitions automatically, and apply visual effects. So for example, you can just go image to video right here. Then as you can see, we have the prompt field and we have the example photo that we can use as a reference to then create some video on top of it. So you just import your clips, choose a style, and let AI do the first edit for you. This is extremely useful for fast YouTube or short form content. And then also, one of Filmora's strongest AI tools is auto captions. So with one click, Filmora transcribes your audio, generates subtitles, syncs text to speech, and lets you edit fonts and animations. This is perfect for shorts, reels, and TikTok style videos. And then after that, Filmora also uses AI to help with music. It auto music suggestions, beat-based cuts, sound effect matching. You don't need to manually sync everything. AI does most of the timing for you. This alone saves a lot of editing time. And even though Filmora and AI does most of the things for you and creates a base video, you still have full control. And you can change clips, edit text, adjust transitions, modify colors, replace music. So think of AI as your assistant, not a replacement for creativity. And then once you're happy and your video is generated, you can just click export. And when your video is, of course, done generating, you can also download it to your computer locally and then do whatever you wish with it. Or you can just also just place it on the timeline and start editing it in any way you want. For example, if you want to make some cuts, if you want to add some transitions or something, you can do all of that freely, even with generated video. Maybe you don't like something or you wish to add some of your own creativity on top of what AI already created for you. You just choose the resolution right over here to export, then frame rate, then you choose which platforms to export to, YouTube, TikTok, etc. Of course, depending on what you choose, you will have either a vertical or horizontal video. So if you're looking for one of the best AI video generators combined with an editor, Wondershare Filmora is a strong option. It balances automation with creative control, which is exactly what most creators need. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI and tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.